Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Oppo A72. So there are some ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons, and for that we will need the power button and the volume down button. So press these both buttons for the same time and you will have a screenshot. You can see here directly the preview after, and yeah, one more time the power button and the volume down key just together simultaneously, and we will have the screenshot. And if you tap now here on this preview, we are able to share the screenshot directly, or you can edit it also. You can just crop a part here if you want. Maybe if you want to have just a picture from a website or something like this, you can do that. And if you're ready with the cropping, you just go here on done, and then it's part of our gallery. Just go back here and you're back at the scene. Okay, there's a second way to take a screenshot by using 3 fingers. So just swipe 3 fingers down the screen and you have a screenshot as well. And there's a very cool tool you can use with 3 fingers by tapping the 3 fingers on the screen and holding them, and then you can crop just a part of the screenshot. And that's pretty cool, and it saves a lot of time, and you can save it directly here to your gallery. So there's a third way to take a screenshot by just swiping in a secret bar. No? So one more time, there's a secret bar here on the side, just swipe it in and you will have here also the icon for the screenshot. Just tap it and you have a screenshot as well. And by the way, if you scroll down the preview, you can share this screenshot always immediately, maybe WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. So there's another thing what you can do with this preview. If you're on a website, let's go here to the Oppo website. No thanks. And you can make also a scroll shot, so a long screen shot. So let us take one, maybe with the buttons, the power button and the volume down button we have learned, hold them together. And if you now swipe the preview up, you can make a scroll shot. If you want to interrupt the scroll shot, as you will take now the whole website, if you want to interrupt the scroll shot, just tap here on the screen or go on done. That is also possible. And you will have here a long screenshot, perfect for websites and so on. Yeah. Also here you can share directly or edit this part and so on. If you just go back, you will have it automatically here in your gallery. And apropos gallery, you can find your screenshots here at the photos. And it's first of all here next to your pictures and so on, to your camera pictures. But what's very nice here at the albums, the screenshots have their own folder named screenshots. Yeah. Hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or me, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.